Welcome back. India bids farewell to Dr. Manmohan Singh. The former Prime Minister will be cremated with full state honours at the Nigambodh Ghat on the banks of Yamuna. My colleagues Tejshi and Pradeep are joining us on the broadcast. Tejshi, the nation will remember Dr. Manmohan Singh for his many contributions. His final journey has already begun from the AICC headquarters, where the Congress leaders paid their last tributes, to now heading towards the Nigambodh Ghat.
Well, absolutely, his final journey has begun, and in fact, now the entire family and in fact the Congress leaders along with the other senior leaders will also be reaching here at Nigambodh Ghat, from where we are reporting right now. And in fact, as you rightly mentioned, that he will always be remembered, not just a political leader, but someone who has got massive changes in the economic policy of India. And in fact, first of all, we would like to also show you the visuals over here so as to what kind of arrangements are being made. Yes, security is deployed because all the senior leaders are going to come, and in fact, apart from that, diplomats, delegates, all of them are also going to arrive over here. We would also like to show you the visuals so as to how the state honors will be given to them, to him. And in fact, you can see that the heavy security deployment is being made over here. Bands from all the three forces are also over here. And in fact, not just that, but in fact, now the leaders have also started arriving over here at Nigambodh Ghat. And as I was mentioning earlier, and as you also mentioned, that he was the one who introduced several policies, and in fact, not just if we talk about the economic policy, it is not just about the economical reforms, but in fact also if we talk about the Manrega during his regime was implemented during between 2004 to 2014. Apart from that, if we talk about the Right to Information Act, he believed that the people should also have right to access to the information. That is why this particular act was introduced in his regime. We would just keep on showing you the visuals so as to get an idea so as to what is happening over here, what kind of movement is happening over here. We will just move forward and show you also the preparations over here. Second, I was talking about right to education. Yes, right to education was also implemented during his regime in between 2004 to 2014. And apart from that, Manrega was also implemented, which provided employment to the youths of the country. And also, if we talk about his entire political career, starting from the time when he was the economic advisor, then he became the chief economic advisor. Post that, he was also the finance minister during P.V. Narasimha Rao's government, and that was during 1991 to 1996. And that is what we all talk about, that India was witnessing an economic collapse, in fact, at that particular point of time. And he was the one who uplifted the economical policy, brought reforms, and in fact, that is why all the leaders, all the stalwart leaders, all the senior leaders as well, that includes also the Prime Minister, Home Minister, and other senior leaders from the opposition as well, are remembering him, someone who has been an architect as far as the economic reforms are concerned. We will again show you a 360-degree visuals, because now you see, since the security deployment has been put at place, the senior officials from the Delhi police are also present here on the ground. Apart from that, the three bands from all the forces have also arrived over here, and in fact, the crematorium team, the crematorium team is also present over here. The family members will be arriving in a short while, because we saw that. During the in fact, while the tribute was being paid at the Congress headquarters, how all the senior leaders were present. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, Priyanka Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, all are also accompanying the last journey. And in fact, in a short while from now, they all will be reaching over here at Nigambodh Ghat, from where we are reporting right now. We will again show you the visuals as to, you see, absolutely the traffic arrangements are also being made over here, because there will be a huge convoy that will be reaching over here at Nigambodh Ghat, from where we are reporting. And in fact, we will also try to speak to a few individuals who have come over here, that what message would you like to give? Sir, what message would you like to give?
No individual bikes. I'll give you later on.
So you see, Navjot Singh Sidhu has also reached over here to tribute to late former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, and in fact, shortly here, and in fact, as we were mentioning earlier, that he was not just a political leader, you know, he was more than that, and that is why we have been seeing that other leaders are also paying tribute to him. And in fact, not just that, but Rahul Gandhi in a social media post has also remembered him as his mentor. So you see, all other Congress leaders have also been saying that he was the one who mentored him when it comes to economical policies or when it comes to taking the big decision as well. So he will be remembered as mentor by many other politicians as well. Now we are awaiting that when he will, when other senior leaders will be arriving over here, and his last journey will be ending over here at Nigam Bodh Ghat, from where we are reporting right now, and we'll continue to show you the visuals, and we will also try to speak to Devinder Yadav. Devinder ji, आपसे बात करना चाहेंगे कि what would you like to say today? How would you like to remember late former Prime Minister Dr.
It's a great loss to the nation, basically. We remember Dr. Manmohan Singh as coming from a very humble family, and he led the nation in such troubled time when the economic recession was all over in the world. But yes, you are also head of our family. उनको हम याद भी करते हैं, उनको नमन भी।
अभी देखिए था ना, अभी
वो पूरे देश।
So the political leaders are remembering Dr. Manmohan Singh for his contributions to the nation. We will continue getting you those voices. Several Congress leaders, in fact, Congress leaders from across the country have come to the national capital. The visuals are of the final journey of Dr. Manmohan Singh, whose mortal remains are being taken to the Nigam Bodh Ghat. My colleague Pradeep is also joining us from there. Pradeep, you know, some of the Congress leaders are remembering Dr. Manmohan Singh, and many have spoken about what he did, his contributions to the nation within the party as well, on how he always remained somebody who silently worked for the nation.
Yes, that thing cannot be denied. The kind of the work that he has done for the nation will be remembered by each and every person of this country. 1.4 billion people right now are remembering Manmohan Singh for his contribution, whether it was economy, whether it was right to information, whether it was in the education sector, or whether it was about Indo-US nuclear deal. Not only the people from the Congress party or people from the government, but even the diplomats whom we are talking to, they are also remembering former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh for his contribution. They are saying that Manmohan Singh was one man who ensured the peace in the West Asia. While I was interacting with a diplomat from Palestine, he said that it was during his period that they got land allotted at Chanakya Puri. Finally, the embassy was constructed. So he was a kind of a person who wanted peace in the region. He was the one who believed in development. He believed in basically the three-dimensional model that everybody is talking about. The three-dimensional, when we talk about democracy, development, and then it is all about peace and in the region. That is what the Manmohan Singh believed in. So right now, let me show you. This is the place, Nigam Bodh Ghat, where the final journey will culminate. In a short while, the mortal remains of Manmohan Singh will be reaching here, and he will be accorded state farewell with the full military honor. You can see already the large number of army personnel, they are standing there, and the band from the Army, Navy and Air Force is already present there. Once the mortal remains will be brought here, then there will be the religious ritual ceremony, a wreath-laying ceremony will also be there. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Rashtrapati Draupadi Murmu will be present, and you can see the area has been properly barricaded. Family, friends, religious
and because there will be dignitaries who will be coming in, a lot of security is also in place. Pradeep, do stay with us. We'll slip into a short break here. We'll come back with these visuals. We'll be right back.